Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am the two-time, the Box Award-winning the Boxer.
I am still the one-time the Box Award-winning autistic chef, David Leahy. And what are you up to today?
You said you wanted to do tacos.
Yeah, this is like a revenge mission since we had a little bit of issues last time we did tacos. Sadly, it was not your fault either, by the way. Technical difficulties.
I don't even remember what went wrong. That was so long ago.
We lost, yeah, some of the footage got lost because half the footage got lost or something from the beginning. This time though, hopefully this will not happen this time, I hope.
Yeah.
Tacos 3 ways. We're doing shredded pork shoulder, pork belly, and chorizo, all braised in beer, onions, garlic, spices, and chilies. Really good. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah. And I do use a 2-camera system now, so I think that's something that's improved upon now. So that way I have 2 clips of footage rather than 1. That way I like.
This way we won't have any issues.
It's like we say in like for things like video and photography.
Yep.
2 batteries are 1 and 1 is none. The point being that you always carry a spare, and I feel like a similar thing can apply to
filming. Situation.
You have like having multiple cameras allows you to have that extra clip of footage that you want to help save it. So.
All right, so let's get to work, guys. So first things first, go ahead and make the pickled onions. This is my own recipe. I've been doing this for a while. It's not exactly the greatest recipe in the world, but I like it. The recipe. I've been doing it. This is more. The recipe is more sweet and heat, which goes well with the spiciness of the sauce. And there will be a recipe in the comments. So first, red onion, mandolin. Gotta be careful with this thing. These things are sharp as shit. So if you have a guard for your mandolin, use a guard. Me, I'm more trained with this, so I don't really need a guard anymore. I'm comfortable without a guard. So, but just be slow. You want it as thin as possible, like.
So the opposite of me, basically. Come on, fat.
You know I'm fat, come on. You know he's fat, you fat, he knows it, he knows. Woo! He's huge, he's fat, he knows it.
Oh yeah, it looks like like the past couple videos that we've done, your channel has been getting like quite a few views.
I know, it's kind of blown up a little bit. Holy crap, what the hell? I went from 50 something to like 60 to 86 now? From like 40 to like 86 or something in like one video, like holy sh.
No, I'm pretty sure you've been getting like into the hundreds the past that.
Oh, the views, but and the followers have gone up from 86 up to when I went out to 86 now, which is I'm impressed. Before I know I'll have your numbers, yeah, right. So your onions. Now, chili. If it's not gonna work, you know what? Being bitchy, so I'm gonna do it this way. Really fine. Chop. Keep the seeds. You want that heat, right?
But you didn't see that coming.
Nope.
Fine.
Wah wah wah.
Boo.
There you go. Only need 1. You don't need that much. Just 1. Also gonna do some garlic.
Do you need a guard tongue for garlic?
Those in the bottom. Funyuns on top.
And here we also see the meats.
Yep. Pork belly, shoulder, chorizo. I'm gonna bring it just to a simmer. Once it simmer, you let it cool. Then you add it to your onions and let that cook. Put it in the fridge 24 hours. Got pickled onions. So the sauce is Tex-Mex seasoning, onion, garlic, 3 kinds of chilies, Anaheim, poblano, and jalapeno.
All the way from Anaheim, California.
Yep. And then also on there, beer. Use to braise it. And after you braise it, you let it, after it's cooked down, you add tomato paste, and then you blend up with a wand blender or in a blender, and that's your taco sauce. Goes really good for breakfast as well, guys. If you ever want to have like a really good breakfast, it's good for like breakfasts, like hash brown, eggs or something really good with this, right? I already have some pickled onions in here, actually. Already made. So ready to go. Look at these pretty. Don't those pretty? Been sitting for a few days now and been pickled. They look, those will look good, guys. Put pan down. Now I got the tortillas. I'm using corn. I personally prefer corn tortillas over
Flour?
Flour, yeah.
I don't know, it sounds kind of corny to me.
There you go. So you want a little bit of char on here, not too much, just a little bit of char on this thing. Let it cool down and let it sit for 24 hours and they're done. I'm gonna keep it really simple this time, folks. Not gonna do anything too fancy with this. It's a queso fresco. It's like this, like a Mexican soft cheese. Like it's almost like feta. It's a really nice cheese. Cilantro. Two. And we're back. Time to finish, folks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go, shoulder. Chili baby back ribs. Baby back ribs. Chili baby back ribs.
Makes you wonder how adult French ribs are.
Alright, so now that nice hide on there. Now, little queso fresco. There's a little bit. Sorry. Crumble so you can hands. And now, to finish all this, nice cilantro sprig here. Just like that. Oh, before you do anything, if you want a little more spicy, you can add a little dab will do you here. A little dab. A little dab will do you. Any hot sauce, any Mexican hot sauce is good. I like Valentina and Cholula are my favorites. Those are my two personal favorites. But any Mexican hot sauce you want, you can go spicy if you want, or mild if you want. With microsurgery. Ay caramba. Ay caramba. And there you go, folks. Tacos 3 ways. Tacos 3 ways.
Yep.
Shredded pork shoulder, chorizo, pork belly. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, I am the still one-time the boxing warrior to the Chef de Leahy.
And I am the two-time, the Boxing Award winning the Boxed. And remember to like our Instagrams, TikToks, X, subscribe to our channels.
Yeah, please.
And thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Bye everyone.
Adios.